Mastering your skills in solitude, the art of woodshedding. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression, woodshedding skills. This phrase might sound a bit mysterious at first, but it holds a valuable lesson for learners and professionals alike. So, let's unravel the meaning together and discover how it can apply to our journey in mastering the English language, or any skill for that matter. The term, woodshedding, originates from the idea of retreating to a woodshed, a place where one can practice or refine their skills away from the eyes and ears of the world. This concept is especially popular among musicians who practice their instruments rigorously in private to perfect their craft. However, the essence of woodshedding transcends music and applies to any skill, including learning a new language. Key points to remember: woodshedding refers to practicing or refining skills in solitude. It's about focused and intensive practice away from distractions. Woodshedding underscores the importance of solitude in the learning process. When we isolate ourselves from distractions, we can concentrate deeply, allowing for more efficient and effective practice. This method encourages self-discipline and self-reflection, essential components in mastering any skill. Why solitude matters: enhances focus and concentration, promotes self-discipline and self-reflection, leads to more effective practice and skill refinement. Applying the concept of woodshedding to English language learning means dedicating time to practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing in English in a focused manner. This could involve practicing pronunciation alone, listening to English podcasts without distractions, or writing essays to improve your written communication. Tips for effective woodshedding: set aside a specific time and place for practice. Identify specific goals for each session, e.g., mastering particular grammar rules, expanding vocabulary. Use resources effectively: books, online courses, language apps. Reflect on your progress and adjust your practice methods accordingly. We hope this exploration of woodshedding skills inspires you to embrace solitude as a powerful tool in your language learning journey or any skill development. Remember, the path to mastery requires dedication, focus, and the courage to practice in the quiet corners where growth happens. Keep pushing forward, and don't forget to enjoy the process. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights and tips in our next video. Happy learning!